In the US, 14.2 million adults live with a serious mental illness, likely including someone that you know. For many of them, maintaining financial stability day to day can be a significant challenge. In fact, 92% of individuals report struggling with problematic financial behaviors during symptomatic periods of their illness, which can often include things like impulsive or unsustainable spending. The key problem is that these individuals are largely unaware of these behaviors, especially as they are actively making purchasing decisions. So over time, these problematic behaviors can compound, putting them at greater risk for debt and even bankruptcy. To provide more awareness about these financial decisions, we developed AIMM, AI Money Minder, an app that detects risky spending behaviors based on past financial behavioral data, and delivers notifications to alert users based on their real-time spending data. AIMM can help users make better decisions in real time and reduce the risk of future financial difficulty.
So first, we will be prompted at the home screen to log into the AIMM app, so we can go ahead and enter our email and password and press login. Once we sign in, we will be able to connect with the Plaid Open Banking API. And so once we do this, we'll be taken over to Plaid. So let's go ahead and press continue. And here we're able to select our banking institution. So in this case, let's say that we bank through Bank of America. Now we would sign in using the credentials that we use when we sign in with Bank of America. So now we're asked to dual factor authenticate. So let's dual factor authenticate with our phone. Great. So once the connection has been successfully made, we're able to retrieve 2 years worth of the individual spending data. So what we're seeing is just dummy data provided by Plaid, but this is actually representative of the data that we would be receiving from real users. After retrieving past financial data from Plaid, AIMM will then display a visualization to allow us to visualize our longitudinal spending behavior. Through our unsupervised machine learning model, we can show any anomalies that we have detected. We will be prompted to label whether these detected anomalies occurred during symptomatic periods, and this allows us to obtain a labeled data set, which we can then use for supervised machine learning. With our preliminary machine learning model, we are actually able to classify these points of symptomatic spending with a high level of accuracy, creating our ground truth model for the user. For more information, please refer to the technology section of the documentation. As we continue to use AIMM, we can monitor our transactions, spending habits, and overall account balance. Should any anomalous patterns be detected in future spending, such as a significant increase in amount spent or number of transactions, we will be alerted so we can take action. We can also choose to review these transactions as well. To maintain the privacy of the individual's financial data and symptomatic labels, we will employ federated learning, meaning that all data storage and analysis will be kept on the user's own device and is not shared, which significantly reduces the privacy concerns that are associated when being in close contact with sensitive financial and well-being data.
In the next phase of this work, we will focus on integrating our 3 key components: our ML model, the Plaid API connections, and our prototype interface. For our MVP stage, we intend to have a fully integrated app capable of detecting anomalies, relaying problematic spending alerts to users, and providing options to help them remediate their financial decisions. We've begun taking steps for an IRB-approved study where AIMM will be tested by our key customers for usability and engagement, as well as evaluate how well it meets their current financial well-being needs. With a team composed of individuals with deep expertise in this subject matter, a broad technical capability, and a proven history of successful long-term project delivery, we firmly believe we can successfully execute the MVP phase. Using AIMM, users will be prompted to reflect on their behavior, learn about the relationship between their mental health and spending patterns, and help establish long-term healthy financial habits. In the future, our platform can potentially integrate with existing healthcare and social support systems to collaboratively help users meet their financial well-being goals. By using AIMM, the AI Money Minder, we mean to provide users with more peace of mind when it comes to managing their money.